Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a question from the topic of national income determination in the subject of economics A levels. And the statement of the question is in the diagram below, long run and short run consumption functions are shown by CL and CS respectively. CS is the short run consumption function prevailing at time t, and YT is the level of the national income at the same time. The diagram indicates that the right answer is D part, that is the consumption adjusts with a time lag to a permanent change in the income. The diagram illustrates the reconciliation between the short run and long run consumption behavior, often associated with Milton Friedman permanent income hypothesis. The mechanism is when national income increases permanently, consumers do not immediately jump to their long run consumption level along the CL. Instead, due to the habit, uncertainty, or the time lags, they initially move along their current short run consumption function, that is CS. And the shift is actually over time as consumers realize the change in income is permanent and adjust their living standards, and short run consumption function shifts upwards. It eventually intersects the new income level right on the long run line, that is CL. Therefore, the diagram shows that while consumption is proportional to the income in the long run, it adjusts with a time lag in the short run. Option A is incorrect because the diagram deals with the aggregate macroeconomic consumption and income relationships. It does not measure utility curves, time preference rates, or intertemporal utility directly. B is incorrect because the household saving plans are heavily dependent on the income. The gap between the 45-degree line and the consumption line represents the savings, which changes visibly as income changes. And C option is incorrect because in fact the exact opposite is true, because the CL is a straight line starting from the origin, and consumption does rise in exact proportion to the income in the long run. Thank you so much.